Hey everyone, so I'm back. My battery was very low, so the phone did not allow me to record. So I want to show you that I chopped up some tomato, like crossways, until I got about this size, maybe like a fourth of each slice, and 2 whole tomatoes. And then the onions, I didn't cut them very small. Sometimes I cut them in squares if I want big chunks of onions in my stew. This time I just sliced them down so they're about this size. Okay, it just depends what you're trying to achieve. If you're cooking something where like there's a plate of food and you don't want the big chunks of onions, you can slice them smaller. But for stew, I like them big. And this is some cilantro or culantro. Okay, culantro or cilantro, depending where you're from. But anyway, it's wet because it produces moisture when it's in the refrigerator, so it's still good as long as you have it. Usually when I open my vegetables like green pepper that I showed you earlier, and cilantro or culantro and tomatoes, even whenever I cut them, I don't leave them exposed to air or they will get dry, and it just will not be the same. The bell pepper or green pepper is sliced almost a half, and I tighten it so that not much oxygen can get into it. And it probably will last a few more days. It's not going to last the whole 7 days. So I want to use it up. I'm going to use it up before then for my other meals. And this is the culantro or cilantro, depending on how you call it. The cilantro is all moist because it's been in here for about 2 or 3 days in the refrigerator. Remember I told you vegetables don't last. You can't store vegetables that long. They're usually to be used within that very same week that you buy them, within 7 days usually. Although you can freeze it, like if I want this to last me a little longer because maybe I'm not going to use it all up in less than 7 days, I would put it in the freezer. It would be frozen and wet looking, but at least I know when I take it out, I can just chop a frozen piece of it and put it in my stew or meats or food. Like I said, I'm not proud of going back to eating small portions of meat, but it's only because of a budget situation. And in order to be vegan, you have to constantly buy vegetables. And vegetables you can't store usually no more than about 3 to 7 days max, unless you freeze the vegetables, of course. Okay, so here are all what I'm going to pre-fry, stir-fry, or saute, however you call it. And I'm going to put this in I already added oil, extra virgin oil, for the extra olive that I need for minerals. I already added a couple spoons in the pot, and I'm going to show that to you in a minute. And now I'm going to put my pot on low, medium low. It's already very hot, so I'll just turn it down to medium low. The reason for pre-frying my vegetables is to get the juices flowing and bring out the flavor. Never just drop your tomatoes and green peppers in your stew without pre-frying or stir-frying just a little bit to get the juices flowing, because it won't be the same. I mean, it's going to be okay, but you're not getting the best of the taste, the full taste. So this is my vegetables, the pumpkins and chayote. It's all soft, so I'm able to, and the yuca or cassava as it's called in Africa. It's all cooked. See, I could split them, and that's how I know they're cooked. And the only thing I added to this water was a little salt, sea salt or iodized salt. Remember, anytime